Welcome back to the Heimdall live demo series. This video will focus on a feature specific to the Postgres database, the use of the Analytics tab to display server-side performance statistics. This feature leverages the Postgres add-on pgstat statements in order to provide performance metrics from the perspective of the database in addition to our normal analytics. In order to use this feature, you must first select the option Use DB Stats in the data source. This is only available if the driver is set to Postgres. Once selected, and a Postgres-based VDB is selected on the Analytics tab, the option DB Side Statistics will become available on the Analytics tab. Select this, and analyzing will provide an alternate analytics view compared with normal. From here, we can see the overall or the actual response time that the database sees in order to generate the results, as opposed to the perspective of how long it takes to receive the results. From here, we can see that most queries are in the microsecond range, or even down to the level where it's not reporting that they take any time at all on the database. Now, if we uncheck the DB side statistics option and select Analyze again, we can see the perspective of the from Heimdall. What we can see is that queries that were taking almost no time are taking many milliseconds to process. So let's use our filtering capability in order to narrow down what queries we're looking at any given time. I'm going to filter with the product template string. I'm going to analyze, and then we can look at the query statistics. So very simple query here. Select product template ID, ... Okay, it's almost exactly 1 millisecond. We filter in the DB side statistics, and we can see that no query is reported as taking any time at all. Okay, this is a very big departure between these two views, but by displaying it this way, it can help a developer to understand if the database is actually taking a long time or there are other factors involved. This allows one to understand, is there any more optimization that can actually be done by improving the schemas, or is all of the improvement going to be gained on caching and reducing the amount of data transferred instead?